Happy 18th birthday, Regina. You are very lucky that you have reached that age and celebrating your 18th birthday with your family. Though your papa is not around, I know that he is very happy and very proud of you, anak. Mula sa iyong pagkabata hanggang sa pagdadalaga, nakita namin o nasaksihan ko ang iyong paglaki na puno ng saya, pangarap, at mga mahalagang aral sa buhay. Your childhood has been the foundation of who you are today. A simple joys, curiosity, and important values that still guide you as you continue to grow. Alam kong you were properly guided by your parents para sa panibagong hamon sa buhay, the adulthood stage. Ngayon na ikaw ay 18 na, this truly marks the beginning of adulthood. Kasama ng kalayaan at bagong karanasan ay ang mas mabibigat na responsibilidad. Responsibilidad sa iyong sarili, sa iyong pamilya, at sa mga pangarap na gusto mong tuparin. Pero tandaan mo ito, anak, na ang nanay at ang tatay ay hindi laging malakas. Darating ang panahon na kakailanganin din nila ang iyong pagmamahal, pangunawa, at pag-aalaga. Kaya baunin mo lagi ang kanilang pangaral, sakripisyo at walang hanggang pagmamahal habang tinatahak mo ang mas malaking mundo. To your loving parents, sa aking kumadre at saka kumpadre, your tireless guidance and unconditional support for Regina ay walang kapantay. Ang inyong pag-aaruga, tiyaga, at pagmamahal ang dahilan kung bakit siya lumaking mabuting anak at ngayon ay handang-handa ng harapin ang hamon ng buhay. May this new chapter be filled with courage, wisdom, and blessings. Enjoy your special day, anak, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy Rina.
Happy birthday, Rina. Nag-aaral kang mabuti. Magpakabait ka. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rina. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rina. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rina. Greetings from Davao City. 18 naman na siya.
Hi Rina, 18 years old ka na today. At sana tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo, pagbutihin mo para maging successful ka in the near future. At huwag mo nang magbo-boyfriend. Palaging sumunod kay mama para hindi kayo nag-aaway. Joke. I wish you good health, happiness, and love always. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Rina!
Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, MBTC. Bye.
Oh, happy birthday, Rina! Magpapayat ka at medyo malusog ka ngayon. Happy birthday na lang. Ingat palagi. Mag-aral na maigi. Sige na, happy birthday!
Hello with love from Binangonan, Rizal. Your Tito Ben. Happy 18th birthday, Regina. you're no longer a little girl, but you'll always have that same sparkle that makes you unique. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rina. Keep studying and good health.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Regina. This is the time where you spread your wings and fly. May you achieve your goals and become the incredible woman that you are.
Happy debut day.
Happy birthday, Reina. Happy birthday, Reina. Happy birthday, Reina.
Excuse us, it's almost 10 p.m.
Angkal.
Happy birthday, Rina! Pasensya ka na, mga sira.
Ayan ang gulo.
Ang gulo-gulo. Alas 10 na ng gabi dito, kumakain pa kami.
Ito gusto mo? Ayan,
Happy birthday, Rina! Dalaga ka na, dalaga pa o binata?
Binat.
God bless.
Na. Hindi ka dalaga, binat na.
At magpakabait lagi. Happy birthday!
She's the nun that...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy 18th birthday, Rina. Wish you all the best. Love, love, love.
Happy birthday, Rina! Wish ko makatapos ka sa pag-aaral mo at maging mabuti kang bata.
Happy birthday, Rina. Isa lang ang wish ko ha. Mag-ingat sila sa'yo. Joke. Happy 18th birthday, Rina! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Regina Mi. Wish ko lang na sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral and good health ka lang palagi. More birthdays to come. God bless. Bye-bye.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 스테이 생일 축하합니다.
What's up? I just want to greet you the happiest happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you and more birthdays to come. May the Lord keep you safe. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Thank you.
Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your special days and happy ka lang always. And if sad ka, dapat happy ka always. No, choose happiness. And then stand baby. Ingat always.
Rina, happy birthday sa'yo. At mag-ingat ka lagi sa iyong mga lakad. At mag-aral ka ng maayos. At nandito lang kami ng iyong mga magulang at kapatid na nakasuporta sa iyo. At sana galingan mo pa sa iyong pag-aaral. At sana lagi kang healthy. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At happy Sunday sa inyong mga bisita. Salamat sa iyong pagdalo sa birthday ng aking anak. At ingat kayo lagi diyan. I miss you and I love you.
아름답고 황홀해 반짝이는 내 각막은 담은 끝이 없는 세계는 Namaste 느껴져 내 머린